jong ka St. Paul's Parish Upper Shillong. Haka-artari ko jumang, hakandai spa inauguration, Bishop Stephen Fernando, Estd, Didi, Rinka, Bakfarafoya, Bakfarabucheri, Kelik, Benkeku, Yakayeng Mani Tumay Hanalayim, Balapan itu, Au Paiba, Yau Parish Priest, Jong Upper Shillong, Ubaday, Reverend Father Anthony Bucheri, Estd. Yakayeng Pri Parish Official Inauguration, Lapilong, Haka-Kadreo Kere, Ujemang, Hakandai Spa Inauguration, Hakaba, Yau Reverend Father Bucheri, Estd, Lapin Kampi, Parish Priest Beningkong, Ayeng Mani Jong St. Paul's Seminary, Yakabal Palong, Ayeng Mani Beningkong, Jong St. Paul's Parish Upper Shillong. Kakateng Jong St. Peter and Paul's Parish, Balapinna Nado Sdang, Kabrane Kadu Usnam Katnai Spa Inyo, Namar Hadin Ute Usnam, Lato, Balatik Yaka Parish Upper Shillong, Kumga St. Paul's Parish, Agajin Sisha, Uprabucheri, Estd, Ulaong Nado Sdang, Yau Bishop Fernando, Banjir, Yaka Parish, Agakateng, Paulus Batuoy, Batu Petrus Batuoy, Knang, Ini Giri Puoy, Ibalong Roki Bishop Kabalang, Bakinesa, Bat Bangyo, Ajingera, Bat Ajingera. Lesi Bahar Lord, Yang Bishop, Kilapin Klano, Yakagaten Hadian Usnam, Katandai Spa Inyo, Shaka St. Paul's Parish. Ausnam Katandai Spa Inyo, Prabucheri, Lalixiki no Chichnong, Italy, Barlu, Banwa Jingera, Banshna, Yakayemani Jong Parish, Bakajaka, Banshna Yemani Kadai, Kajaka Badon, Apostolic Convent Minta. Ufra Alfred, Marshal Estd, Ulekor Parish Priest, Number 1 Sat, Suti St. Paul's Seminary, Babansak Sumari, Agata Apor, Lami Karai Bishop, Bankana Parish, Nama, Bakaret Pala, Lapinti Bishop Bucheri, Barangga Degli Agapor, Henry, Agajian Jong Archbishop Hakibana, Laikren, Balada, Parish Spirit, they will conhek. Nama Sisian Balapri, Kamsomnia, dan Kumno. Kumta, berkenhek Parish, Isnong Kain Komnakai Dasar Segmenta, Ibaha Buka Parish Landra, Batisnong, Akatain Siang Dingi Sub-District, Sedra Parish Morai Manta, Ibaha Parish Morai, Napinyo Solo Parish Upper Shillong, Nadu Sitrik January, Katandai Spa Nyowe. And David Bucheri, Lon Ryan Italy, Ulalmo, Parish Upper Shillong, and I'm done. Bakal Hek. Minbagan sedang di Parish, Kimas, Bati Jinglenyam, Laju Pelon, Hakayin School, Amaria, Borati, LP School, Nongse. Hadin Lapil Bindriak, Sahandik, kati ni abandi koi gula andi koi gula kanang ta dalam pendak ya kaya mani jong kesempol sendiri kaparis kapinagkan lang kung kaya mani hadu ugnay June at handai spa prapunda nadugas dan kaparis ibalang sunong at anong pindong yomas tanggung balay ni sausin hakasisnan ataskan hakabadon berjiaseng tugna David Kui Dr. SDB Kui ibalang terang bagi baik diungai di banyo emas kuoi bagi sacrament cimpun yesok la kumno sisin cibna kumta akan jienang jangka Parish Pastoral Council kabalalong hakakandai dari wisal hakakandai prabhupra la pihak ia ke Parish Saki Sautuli di sub-district kata kabalingkong kalay sub-district kabahay kapong sub-district kabalay kasadong sub-district basa kadingay sub-district kani kasayndor bermulai berkuy Dr. Estd kalayay gay rinti haduk ng taman tak haduk bagdingay sub-district Secretary Parish Arjal Mynno rayo ang Parish bakasadong Marine sub-district Mary Queen of Peace Parish rayo ang Parish Arpo Sa kisayo ang Parish yagayin na batimay ang Parish yagblakay daw kada na yin dari farang yin bishop lapindak balakan ku hak artari unai lar hak nai spa prapundai the most Reverend Hubert D. Rosario SDB DD Archbishop Shillong ya kahol pa pablay na ha upra Virgilius Alberat SDB lapli ha asnipuram jang Parish haka arpundai dari Urisau hak handai spa prapundai daw para Anthony Cherry Parish Priest Belingkong jang Parish ya berlakat semua daw para Widodo acting Parish Priest ya kesempul Parish Upper Shillong ya keberlaku kesemar lalu sdang dapat lebih berajang keseng reunion Don Bosco kepada Salesians live Mynno kepada Clergy ni diocesan priest house name Hakkanai Spa Kandai Po Fred Joseph Kurba Sim ulalong para Clergy Belingkong ban sinti kung Parish Priest ulay sinti nufra kay Dr. Estd hakan yaw tarik urumrang hakandai spa kandai po yakin jingleenyam pinkampi kung Parish Priest na pinulong hasing Paul's Catholic Church Laimer haka arpulay tarik urumrang hakandai spa kandai po daw Reverend Father T. Resto Kanrang SDB Vicar General Hakakpo at hain siyang balatip berdingay sub-district yagawalapin niya so batas St. Peter's Church Paul Parish Upper Shillong hakasitarik o January 29 sa inauguration kanadon po ka Parish Upper Shillong kumba live kunri snemtam deitat nadu u arbaat tarik yayon arjar yo kalayo ia bejong ke Parish balatik minta kung ke Secretary Parish maulay ngoy kasado Marine Sub-District Yagamla Piniso, but a Saint Peter's and Paul Parish Upper Shillong, Kumba La Santurais Nem, Rayoru, Yalabijong Parish, Hagagateng Jong, the Mary Queen of Peace Parish, Mount Yangla, Hagan Yotri Wayong, Arpo Arpusa, a deer, a Jinkia Igni Agni Parish, a St. Paul's Parish, Minta Gadan, Tang, a Kumno Christ Sub-District, Mansalong Biru, Parish, Kabai Nam, Hakamaria, Kakmi Jong, the gentleman, Aban Sapli Paiba, Arpo Arpare, Ulubir, Arpo Arpanri. A Dean, a Jinkia Igni Sub-District, the Parish Line Mayor, and Santo Tang, halfway to the Ibalang Upper Jongka. The Federal, the Parish Priest, the Parish Nadu, the Arthur Bravasan Arpo, recognized and good son, Adu Arpo son in the name. Reverend Father Anthony Bucheri SDB, Nadu Arthur Bravasan, recognized by good son, Adu Arthur Bravasan, recognized by Norway. Reverend Father Adra Mosso SDB, Nadu Kasantra Bravasan, recognized by Norway, Kasantra Bravasan, recognized by Norway. Reverend Father Haral Sharif SDB, Nadu Kasantra Bravasan, recognized by Norway, Adu Kanyotri Bravasan, recognized by Norway. Reverend Father Virgilius Aldara SDB, Nadu Kapratari Bravasan, recognized by Norway. Adu Kapratari Bravasan, recognized by Norway. Ajitan Kui Dutto SDB, Nadu Kapratari Bravasan, recognized by Norway. Adu Kapratari Bravasan, recognized by Norway. Reverend Father Joseph Sebastian, Nadu Kanyotri Bravasan, recognized by Norway. Adu Library Bravasan, recognized by Norway. Reverend Father Victor Lindo, Nadu South Bravasan, recognized by Norway. South Bravasan, Arjari. Reverend Father Henry Manan, Hatsan Sapa, Hatsan Trip, Bravasan, Arjari. Adu South Bravasan. Reverend Paul Skolamatam, Nadu South Bravasan, Arpo Kasan, Adu Henry Bravasan, Arpo Arpa. Reverend Torres Kargapunta, Nadu Henry Bravasan, Arpo Arpa, Adu Nota, Itang Parish Priest. The Assistant Parish Priest of the Clergy for the Parish Upper Shillong, Sangma, Reverend Father Peter Gongsun, Padama, Andy Gongji, ASEAN, Reverend Father Albinus Yauhnyao, Reverend Father Julius Kurba, Reverend Father Eugenius Trinian, Reverend Father Sarich Marat, Reverend Father Crescent Kongwe, Reverend Father Hieronymus Linglo, Reverend Father Bernard Leung, Reverend Father Cosmos Jirwan, Reverend Father Sakai Singti, Reverend Father Sherman Tomshe, Reverend Father Edwin Kahit, Reverend Father Silvanus Nonkenri, Reverend Father Genesimus Nongran, but Reverend Father Yonis Hongkongri. Kani ada iklian history jong St. Paul's Parish Upper Shillong.